Are you wondering if a hydrogenated water flask is right for you? I'm Gina with WTI, and I'm going to give you a few reasons why I feel that I have benefited from using this one that I got from Purify. The main difference between drinking regular water and hydrogenated water is that hydrogen water has extra hydrogen molecules dissolved in it. The reason that I feel that's good is because I am always wanting to fight oxidants, feel more energy, and feel more hydrated. And those are all benefits that I get from using this water. I have confidence that I am getting that over 8,600 parts per billion because this flask is certified to give me that amount of hydrogen concentration when I run a 20-minute cycle. I found that drinking one whole flask, which is 12 ounces on an empty stomach first thing in the morning, and then an additional 3 to 4 flasks throughout the day has been essential to seeing benefits. The 5,000 mAh battery lasts so long, up to 20 uses on the 10-minute cycle. It's also made from BPA free materials, and I love the way that it feels in my hand. It has a nice heft to it, but it's smooth and it just feels very comfortable. I take this flask with me everywhere because I feel that it's essential for helping me feel better. I think you're going to love it too, and that's my point of view.